Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to answer the question raised by the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, this year the government allocated $5 million towards the compensation of government workers following the doubling of quantum from $24,000 to $50,000. As at 31st March 2016, the Ministry of Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations had processed paid out compensation to 13 injured workers with an amount of $88,401.57. Madam Speaker, the Ministry of Employment also processed a total of 8 death cases, totaling $192,000. This brings the total compensation payout to government workers as at 31st March 2015 to a total of $280,401.57. Madam Speaker, for the private sector, the compensation cases of 70 total $216,444.64 as at 31st March 2016. Madam Speaker, the Ministry of Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations have submitted another request to incur expenditure, RIE, to the Ministry of Finance totaling $613,000.73 for additional payments. This is the payment for 32 cases comprising of 20 cases of death, $538,000 for the cases of outstanding injuries that have been claimed for. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Point of order, supplementary question.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Sorry, is it supplementary question? Point of order?
Supplementary.
Thank you, supplementary.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Minister for Labour, Productivity, Employment and Industrial Relations for his answer to that question. During the period 2006 and 2014, a lot of workers were unfairly dismissed, some because of false reporting, some for no reasons at all, and most for other reasons. And these people, some of them had taken a long time to have their case heard. And I know for one case in particular, the person took 5 years for his case to be heard. And by the time the decision was given, he had only 2 weeks to retire. So my question is, how many cases from this period are still pending? And when will this be attended to? Thank you.
Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, this question is directly to injury and death.